My name is Cole, and today I wanted to teach you more about the operation and usage of the Compact 2. For those of you who don't know, the Compact 2 is a mass flow meter for gases. This unit differs from the rest of the series because it uses a touchscreen display to interface with the user. So let's go over the basic menu structure for this product. We'll start by turning on the unit. Touch and hold the display for about 3 seconds, and the unit should power up. When using the battery, the backlight's not going to come on. In order to get around this, you can use a micro USB cable to power up the unit and turn on the backlight. This will make it a little easier to see. The display defaults to the main screen, which shows the rate, total, and a flow gauge. By tapping the screen, you can cycle to just flow, total, or an alarm screen. From any of these screens, you can hold the display for 3 seconds to enter the main menu. You can use the up and down arrows at the bottom of the screen to navigate through the menu, the back button on the left to exit, and the check mark on the right to select the highlighted option. We'll start with Totalizer. This menu is where you can reset the current total. With Reset highlighted, press the check mark. Reset Manual, and then confirm that you want to reset the total. Once this is done, press the back button to navigate back to the main menu. Our standard units are calibrated for 3 gases: air, nitrogen, and oxygen. The gas selection menu is where you can select which one you would like to use. Next, we'll go into the setting menu. This is where you will find most of the setup options for the unit. Measurement allows you to select between economy and performance mode. For more information on these modes, please refer to the manual. The display menu is where you can choose which home screens you want, backlight settings, orientation of the screen, and how long you want the display to stay on for. All home screens are selectable. You can choose them by pressing the check mark. You will see the highlighted square unhighlight. When unit is being powered by 24 volts or micro USB, the backlight brightness can be adjusted. Orientation allows the user to rotate the display so that it can be read in any installation, or leave on auto so when you turn the unit, the screen will automatically rotate. The last 2 options of the display menu will allow you to turn the display and the backlight off after a specified amount of time. As a default, these options are disabled. Going back to the setting menu, we move forward into units. Both flow and total units are selectable and can be different if desired. The units are split up into 2 different categories: real and normal, and other. Next option on the list is filter. There's a choice of dynamic and averaging. Again, please refer to the manual for a more in-depth description. The resolution menu will allow you to select where the decimal point is for both flow rate and total. It is selectable down to 4 decimal places. Security is an option we provide if you would like to set up a password to enter into the setup menu. To set up a password, highlight Set Password and press the check mark. Enter in a 4-digit password and verify it is correct at the top of the screen. When done, press the check mark. Once entered, scroll up and select Enable Password. The next time you want to enter into the setup menu, simply enter the password you selected. If you are using the Compact 2 with a battery, this is where you can select how long the display will remain on for. It is defaulted to 15 minutes normally. Factory Reset is selectable if you want to undo all settings and default the unit to how it left the factory. Going back to the main menu, you will find an Info menu. This is useful if you want to check what version of software you have or the current configuration. Last thing in the menu is the option to reboot. This will cycle the power. If the unit is battery powered, reboot will be replaced by power off. So there you have it, the Compact 2 menu structure all summed up. If you have any questions about this product or any of our other products, please visit our website. Have a great day.